In progress. I do hope to send most of these things to my 3D printers, but this is what I have so far. You can see if I go to Part Studio, now this is Onshape, similar to SolidWorks. Like I said, I hope to get everything put together, all these individual pieces put together, printed out and everything, but for sometimes the times constraints and stuff like this piece right here is going to be a very long piece to print, but we do what we can. So yeah, this is basically a prototype for a dry goods measuring gravity feeder. What I'm trying to solve, the problem I'm going for is, sometimes I need 1 cup of flour or a half a cup of sugar or something along those lines. Now, you have hoppers here where you can put stuff in. I'd probably have, in the final one, I'd probably have 4 hoppers at least. But, let's just say there's flour in this one, sugar in that one right there. Okay. I've got a couple guys right here. They don't slide the best, but they do slide in the prototype right here. That you can go ahead and pull it out. Then down here, I have these guys. Now, in reality, these guys will move left and right, but with my prototype, because I was having trouble getting these to flip without that being fixed. So in my prototype, I slide the whole unit, but in the real thing, only this would slide. And once again, like I said, I'd have 4 hoppers. This right here, if you took a look at it, this right here, this space in here holds 1 cup of material. This space right here holds a half a cup of material. So say you needed, in a recipe, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar. You would go ahead, take this guy, you'd pull, see that's where my prototype breaks down, but pull that out to let 1 cup of flour in right there. And then go ahead and you'd have your bowl down here, obviously. Open this up and dump your 1 cup of flour into the bowl type thing. Then, if you needed 1 cup of sugar, you'd slide these light blue pieces over. I'm just going to slide this over. But since this is the measuring container for 1 cup, and the sugar would be in this place, you would then slide, getting a little off here, slide that out there for the 1 cup of sugar. Would now be in this thing right here, and then open it and dump it into your bowl. Say you needed another half cup of sugar. The recipe called for 1.5 cup sugar. Then you could line it up. This little measuring device right here only holds a half a cup. So then once again, you would slide it open. Yeah, I can see already, I should have stops on that little thing so that that little drawer doesn't come all the way out, but then you'd fill it up with a half again and go ahead and open this and dump a half cup of sugar into your bowl. So that's what I got so far. I look forward to keep working on it, get the stuff printed off, see what works, see what doesn't work. But yeah, that is where I am. Thank you.